Ubuntu installation step by step. That's what we'll be talking about in this video. How to install Linux Ubuntu step by step. Alright, so we'll be using VirtualBox. As you must have seen, we have VirtualBox and you can get it from virtualbox.org. Then after that, you are going to need Ubuntu desktop. You need Ubuntu SO image. Alright, so you need an ISO. So after getting the ISO, what you need to do is very simple. Just click on new to indicate that you want to install a new virtual machine. So all you have to do is to give the name of the virtual machine. In this case, I'll just say Ubuntu. As soon as you start typing the name, you notice that the type and version will change. So I want to put this to Ubuntu 18. So, and then the next thing you have to do is to provide the ISO image you downloaded. I have mine in this, so I'll just this Ubuntu. Just select Ubuntu. Then after that, just click on next. You don't really need all of this, but just you can leave them as they are. So next, and then you specify the RAM size you want, because the RAM size you want for the VM. So 2 gig is fine, and then the CPU is 8 gig, as in the CPU is 1 giga as one processor. Sorry. So you can increase the processor as well if you want, but we don't need that. Alright, just click on next. Then you can provide the size of the gigabyte. Sorry, call it the hard disk size. You can provide that as well. I always like this to be around 10, nothing less than 10, but 10 and 15 is okay. You can also use an existing virtual disk if you do have. So, and you can specify not to have a hard disk if you want. Alright. So now you get a summary of all the settings you've selected. So 2 gig RAM, 1 processor, things like that. Then you finish. So the finish is going to create the machine and power it up. So in the process of powering it up, the other installation stages will be executed. So now that's what you are seeing at this point, is powering up. So after it powers up, it's going to install the ISO image, just like the way you format or you load your Windows machine if you have done that before. So you can just take this out, just that's notification. What we need is this, and then you are going to use your mouse and then to do that. This is the Ubuntu machine. Don't forget that, don't create it. So it's running, and that's what you can see.
say never and turn your mind into the truest to go-getters. Never stop or get
So this can take a while, but just be patient. It doesn't take long, but it is important. So, okay. So you specify the language. We will be using the also I just want to use English UK. So enter. Now you are this keyboard configurations and then US. I prefer to use US. Just enter again. The network configuration you can as well specify, but we can talk about this after the installation because these two um, IPs that you can see, EMP03 and then DHCP4, especially DHCP4 is a NAT, so you won't be able to use that to access the internet, but I'm going to show you some settings to enable that afterwards. So now POSI configuration, we are not using any POSI, just enter. Ubuntu machine, you'll use the default, done. So continue without updating. Okay, contacting the Snap Store to check if a new version of the installer is available. Just want to continue without updating. Yeah. So now this guide storage, this storage, you don't really need to just use the space bar or the arrow key to move to the done and hit enter. Now storage configurations, I don't really need this because we have done it in the setup. So just done and then continue, like confirm instruction access. Selecting continue below will begin the installation process and result in the loss of data. Like I said at the beginning, it's like you formatting a system. So it's going to, the allocated memory is going to format it in the process install the Ubuntu. So that's it. So now you give a name. So you give a name and then just some sign-in name, just so your server's name. So pick a username. Choose a password. Then confirm your password. So you can choose to install the OpenSSH server package, but we don't need that. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be
trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety. We make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything. It's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better. Work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can never say never. Then turn your mind into the truest to go better.
Alright, the installation is still going on. Can see the full log as well, but let's just wait till what it's trying to do now, as you can see, is acquiring and extracting image from your computer. So it's copying the image we attached to these initial settings. So that's what formatting easily does. So installing the kernel. So now
possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better. Work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can never say never. And turn your mind into the truest of go-getters. Never stop.
So this is the main part that is going on, the kernel. In Linux, the kernel is so important in any operating system, by the way. The kernel is what acts as the intermediary between the commands you type and the hardware. And all right, so it's downloaded and installing security updates. If it doesn't see that, it's going to continue. And at the moment, the system is not connected to the internet, so the download will not work. So as you can see, it has moved past that stage. So a reboot is needed now, as you can see, and then we can do that by hitting enter and it's rebooting. So it's going to continue the installation after it reboots. So the installation is done. Now we can sign in. If you remember, this is the username I provided during the installation. You can just use that. Then the password. Now we are in. It is as simple as that. That is how to install an Ubuntu machine on Vagrant box, as in on VirtualBox. And then we can just, as you can see, we are in the machine. You can change to the root user. I think it's still doing some installations, guys. So let's give it a while. Okay, this SSH. You might not know this, but it doesn't. You don't really need to know it, by the way. Just alright, just sudo -i, then just give the password of this user, and then now we are the root user, because this is the admin person that created the machine. That's why this user can just sudo and become the root user. If it were to be any regular user, this is not possible. They say permission denied. Alright, so this how to install Ubuntu machine step by step on VirtualBox. Now, how can you install an Ubuntu machine on using Vagrant? And then what is Vagrant? That's what we will be talking about in the next section of this video. Alright, so I'll just log out of this part of the system. I'm going to shut down. Just use this, then power off. Now we have shut this down. So now we're going to create another VM. If you notice, we have 4 VMs at the moment. We are going to create the latest Ubuntu using Vagrant. So first, let's go over some Vagrant. If you come to Vagrant, vagrant.com. So vagrant.com. So Vagrant, what you have to do to create a Vagrant machine is so simple. Use Vagrant init. This is what is used, but before you use Vagrant init, you need to specify the path you want to put it. So I'll be using I can just let's create another window. Bash. Alright, so I'll just increase the font size. So now I'll cd into let me see the content in this directory here. I think I have let's just cd into a directory you are comfortable with. In this directory I have some files, but let me make another directory called Ubuntu. I'm looking for Ubuntu 22. That's what I want to put here. So that's a new so now we are in this Ubuntu directory we just created. Actually, this is the directory we want to put the virtual machine. So what is Vagrant? To a layman, Vagrant is a virtual machine automation tool. So we use it to create VMs, and these VMs you can use it to create VMs, you can use it to manage VMs, and then anything you can do on the physical VM or on the VirtualBox, you can do it on using Vagrant. You can set the IP, you can specify the RAM size, the hard disk, and a lot of stuff like that. So that's what we use Vagrant. We just automate this whole process that we were doing for some time. Vagrant will enable us to automate it. So the first step you have to do is, after specifying the folder you want to put it, now we're going to use Vagrant init, and then what Vagrant init is going to initialize Vagrant file. So use Vagrant in it. So then you are going to provide a box image. So the box image is basically the operating system of the machine. So in this case, we want virtualbox, and we want Ubuntu. And in fact, I want the latest Ubuntu. The latest Ubuntu is 24. So let's see if we can get this. And to get virtualbox, you come to Vagrant Cloud. This is it, or you can just Google it. But anyway, just come to. No, I need to be connected to the network. So all right. All right. So now we just let's paste. If you can see, that would be very nice. You can see Ubuntu. Okay, this one. This box is which it's Ubuntu Live Server virtual box. Okay, I think we have one. We have one. Let's try this. So this is Ubuntu. So Control C. You just copy this. What you have in this code. That's all we need. Then come back into our git bash and then paste. So just paste it. So just paste it. Let's confirm the name. Yeah, I think that's the name. So what you have to do next is just to hit enter. So this command will initialize in the sense that it's going to create a Vagrant file and use this. Basically what you have when you have here, that's this one is going to create a file that will contain this with more info about the box. So to have the box name, to have size, RAM size, and IP address. But most of it will be commented out, so you can just go into the file and remove the comment and start. Then the Vagrant will provision the VM with all the available sections. So as you can see, the Vagrant file has been placed in this directory. You are now ready to Vagrant up. So Vagrant up is what will create the machine. So it's going to go into this file and create the machine. So Vagrant up. So bringing the machine up. So, just like we waited a little while in the installation using VirtualBox. Vagrant also takes some time to download the file, the box. After downloading, it's going to install. So the downloading is what is happening now. So.
I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate themselves in society, so I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yeah, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick.
If you observe, like I said at the beginning of this installation using a Vagrant, just see that we have 4 VMs here. So after the installation is going to install, after the download, sorry, is going to install, put another VMs here, and it's going to use the name of the folder. So we have Ubuntu 22.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. I gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but
So
honestly,
the way it works, like for this download, it only take a while when you are doing the first download of this particular box image of this particular one. After a while, after this first time, the rest will be very fast. And the reason why it looks as if it's slow in the first time is that when you do Vagrant up, Vagrant will try to bring up the machine, then it's going to check your local directory, but if it doesn't find it, which is normal, it's not be there, it's going to attempt to install it online. So it will locate the hypervisor where it's going to put the installation. So in this case, it will be virtualbox. So after that, then it's going to look for the file again, but by this time it has already recognized that it's not your system. So this directory is included in the file, so it's going to use the directory to download. So it's going to access the directory and download the file. So after downloading, then the installation will begin. So the downloading is what you can see now, and I think this file can be mushed, that's why it's taking a while.
Till I got it, I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders, now we ain't out here moving rock. making posters and we ain't got nothing to hide. We move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh. Fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your great.
There is a mix up. I think my internet connection went off, so we started it. So now I'm going to restart the download. Okay, download is resuming from prior download progress. I think okay, this should continue.
So where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never. And turn your mind into the truest to go-getters. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch. Always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality is tragedy, bro. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks. We out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized. We out here making posters and we ain't got nothing to hide. We move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh. Fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Fame up, to the way up. Play the game, bro. Get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till
I think the reason why this is taking longer is due to I think this new version of Ubuntu is way bigger. I think it will be in the gigabytes, the region of gigabytes, so that's why it's taking long. And then we can even look more into this. The version was created about 2 months ago, so that's okay. Some other packages are included like Chef, and then okay, these guest additions. Those are Vagrant, I think it's 1 gigabyte, so it's not that huge. Though this is the highest I've come across. So this is the highest because oftentimes they are around 700 region other box images, but it's still not much. You know why it's taking longer than expected?
stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. You know I'm always honest, there's no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak quietly. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen over.
So this is what we run, then followed by this. So this is the one running.
So where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can never say never. And turn your mind into the truest to go-getters. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. You know I'm always honest, there's no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going.
So you can download the box directly from here as well. I believe you can download several versions. So this is also useful instead of you downloading it from the command just like that. So I think the download is completed. So thank God. So the installation has started. So now we should have Ubuntu 22 anytime soon. Yeah. Can you see? Now we have it. It's going to be up anytime soon. When it is up, we can sign into it and start using it, guys. Putting into it. Then just getting started. So the allocated RAM size is 1 gig, and we have 2 processors. You can also specify this. So trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak quietly. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can never say never. And turn your mind into the truest to go-getters. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always All right, it's trying to provide a sign-in authorization. So because nothing is provided, it's going to use SSH. So we sign in with this name, username Vagrant, and the SSH key. So it's going to generate all of that. So this will be done anyway in any time. So we are up and running. So what we are going to do now, as you can see, it's up and running. So you can just sign in, but let's just clear everything. What we are going to do is to sign in. So to sign in, just Vagrant SSH. That's what we use to sign. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks. We out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized. We out here making posters and we ain't got nothing to hide. We move forward like soldiers. You better wake up. So hallelujah. Now we are in. Welcome to Ubuntu. Can you see? This is the latest Ubuntu, guys. So alright, now you can now switch to the root user. Alright, now we can see more info if you want. Got etc slash alright, you can see the name Ubuntu. The version is 22, called Jammy Jellyfish, and just like that we have this installed, and then that's just it, guys. It is as simple as that. Now I've shown you how to install Ubuntu machine step by step using virtualbox and then using Vagrant. So that's it, guys. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.